What is up, YouTube? I am really excited today because it's pretty rare that I'm able to bring you something that is truly fresh, truly exciting. This thing blows my mind. And the bonus that I have for you is something I've never ever done before that I think you are absolutely going to love. Seriously, this is super cool stuff. I'm going to tell you all about it. It's coming right up in my review of CB Sniper. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with a hat. That's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people who can pull one off successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, well, you know the drill by now. You can feel free to skip ahead to the juicy good stuff where I'm telling you about all the fun things that are in this package. Because, well, let's face it, my jokes are as stale as the crescent rolls I threw away yesterday. I don't know why I bought crescent rolls. I prefer bagels. Um, I'm a New Yorker. I like bagels. What can I say? But I bought some. They turned out to be stale. I threw them away. Oh, well. Not a big loss. I prefer the bagels anyway. Anyhow, but seriously, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products in the make money online niche. And why would I do such a thing, you might ask? Well, it's actually very simple. It's to make sure that you don't end up buying much of crap. Okay, seriously, Bart? Seriously? Every single time? Do you know how annoying that guy is? For over a year now, it's been yakety, crap. You think you'd get a life. Anyway, but seriously, if you are new to the channel, the way things work if I like a product, I will give a tip my hat to the product creator. If I don't, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos here on life mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Well, thank you, Liz Lemon. You see, Liz is a fellow New Yorker. I love Liz. I know she's the same thing every time. Also, you think I'd be angry at her, but who can get angry at Liz? She's a great person. Anyhow, if you are new, make sure you go ahead and smash that subscribe button at the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos. Because frankly, well, subscribe pretty meaningless here on YouTube these days. Make sure that you like this video. Comment down below. I really do want to see what you have to say. I read all the comments, and let's get right into this. Okay, so we're looking right now at the sales page for CB Sniper. It's a brand new product from my friends Mark Whiteley and Anthony Rusick. Now, what they have been able to do is to take minuscule amounts of money and invest it wisely so that they can make massive amounts of money from ClickBank. It's truly brilliant stuff. I just finished reviewing everything. I am absolutely loving this thing. You can see the kind of numbers that they're getting. And Anthony posted on Facebook some of his numbers. Like he put in like $10, $20 or something like that, and was able to pull out like $200. Like that's crazy numbers. Okay, I'm going to explain more about it, but before I do want to show you my custom bonus because this is a bonus that I have never ever offered before. It is something truly spectacular to see, and I am very excited about it. So here's the deal. What I wanted to do for you is I wanted to give you your own customized bonus that you can give away to your customers. Now, that doesn't mean, you know, you're not getting PLR, and you're not getting some wimpy PDF or whatever. I'm going to give you an entire course. So you actually have your choice of 3 different ones. Pick up an upgrade, you get more than one. So you can have the income formula, durable, or graphic supremacy. Okay, you have any of those 3. Again, pick up an upgrade, you get an additional one. Now, let me show you exactly what that means, though, because I know you're saying to me, Eric, what's the big deal? So you're going to let me give away one of your courses? Well, yes, but I'm doing something a little bit different. So check this out. So this page, you can see here, it says exclusively for customers of John Doe. All right. This is going to be customized just for you and for your customers. Okay, so that means that you're going to see this banner up here. It's going to say that's just for your customers. This is something that nobody ever does. Okay, this is not a bonus page. This is the actual sales page. You're going to be able to point your affiliate link directly here, but I'm not done yet because I want this to really be something customized just for you. Okay, that is going to help you to really build your business and give something away to your own customers that they're going to love. So here's the deal. It's not just you're going to have this little banner up here and you're going to have your own custom page. You can see the URL exclusively for customers of John Doe. It's going to be your own personal page that is going to be available. And I'm going to show you in the bonus exactly how to point your affiliate link to your own personal page. There's a specific way to do it, but it's not just that. So you can see here, for example, we do have a sales video, which is a very, very nice high production video. Let's say that you want to make your own video. You want to get in front of the camera for whatever reason. You don't have to if you don't want to, but if you would like to, you want to get in front of the camera and make your own video and say, hey, thank you for picking up whatever it is from me. You know, here is a custom bonus that I have put together just for you. This is exclusively for my customers alone. We can put that video in for you. Okay, so it's going to be your very own video, truly customized to you. All right, but that's not all. Check this out. Down below, we have a whole list of bonuses that we give away when people buy Durable. Okay, and in this case, it's going to be a free copy of Durable. It's not going to cost your customers any money, obviously. All right, so you get to go ahead and add in over here inside of these bonuses. You get to add your own bonuses, as many as you like. Again, you don't have to if you don't want to. But if you have bonuses that you got from me or from somebody else and you want to add them in, you'll be able to add them directly to the sales page. Again, this is directly on your own personalized sales page. It's not a bonus page generator. I have one of those also. Okay. You're getting the actual sales page customized just for you and just for your customers. All right. And again, what you're going to be able to do is this right now, you can see it says $9.95. You're going to be able to give it away for free. It's going to say free, and people will be able to add it to cart and get it for free. But here's the really nice thing. This is why it's so important that you have an affiliate link. I'm going to show you exactly how to do all that in this bonus. Okay, you're going to have your own affiliate link for the free offer. Okay, so you can give this away to your customers. You're going to have to request it in a specific way. You'll see that in the bonus how to do it. And then when people get their free bonus, they're going to be presented with a bunch of upgrades. Okay. If they pick up any upgrades, you get paid. All right. So not only are you able to give away your own personalized custom bonus, and again, you have the choice of the income formula, Durable, or graphic supremacy. Any of those three, you get to give away the complete package. Okay. It's yours to give away, and it's going to be customized, your own customized sales page just for you. All right, it's not going to be a sales page that is for the generic thing that everybody has. It's customized. You can see it's going to have the URL and the title at the top. You can see right here, customized just for you. All right, and you get your choice of any of those three, customized just for you. You get to give it away completely, totally for free. Okay, that's something nobody else has ever done for anybody. This is completely unique. It's a brand new bonus that I'm giving away to you, that you can have your own customized product that you can give away. If you want to use it, by the way, as something to get people on your list, that's fine. You can do that as well. The only thing is you're going to have your own bridge page, because again, this is not a bridge page. This is not a lead capture page. This is the actual sales page that's going to be customized just for you, just for your customers. And it's going to have the free thing at the bottom that you can give it away. It's going to be completely packaged just for you and your customers alone. Nobody else will have it. It's going to be made just exclusively for you. So let's go ahead and check out the members area real quick over here for CB Sniper. Okay, you can see it's a very, very easy to use system here. All right, there's not a lot to see in the members area. You just click here to start the core training. All right, and you're going to see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That's it. Okay, it's super easy to do this, and everything is done for you. There's absolutely nothing left to chance in order to actually make this thing work. And again, Anthony has been killing it with this thing. He's been posting on Facebook. I'm getting jealous, and I'm seeing him doing hundreds upon hundreds of dollars and putting in like $10, $20. That's it. Okay, it's absolutely insane what he's been able to do with this package and this completely done for you package, by the way. It's all ready to roll. You literally, it's like paint by numbers. Okay, it's all done for you. And again, you're also going to get my exclusive bonus. Nobody else is going to do this for you, where you're going to be able to get your very own custom made product that you're going to be able to give away. That is something that nobody's ever done for anybody in this business. Okay, seriously, it just doesn't happen. All right, certainly not when you're picking up a product that costs $12. All right, that's just craziness. All right, seriously, this is absolutely wild stuff. And you can see down here, okay, not even $12, $8.95. Okay, that's crazy. That is absolutely insane that you're going to be able to get that. All right, you're going to get this entire package, plus you're going to get a custom made product just from me. Nobody else can do that for you. Just go ahead and see if I'm going to give a tip at the product creator or not.
You the man.
Seriously, you the man. Okay, I love this thing. I love the concept. This thing really does make serious money for people. All you gotta do is implement it. It's step by step, nothing left to chance. Everything is ready to roll for you. And of course, you get your own custom made product that you can give away as your own personal bonus just from me. Grab this one. This one you're absolutely going to love, and you're going to be thanking me for telling you about it.